In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF function in Google Sheets. This powerful tool can help you easily summarize data based on specific conditions, and today we'll be applying it to analyze sales from 3 branches over a span of 3 different months. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to efficiently use SUMIF to calculate the total sales for each branch within your dataset. To start, imagine we have a simple spreadsheet listing sales data for 3 branches. The data spans over 3 months, and our goal is to find the total sales for a specific branch across this time period. The SUMIF function will come in handy because it allows us to sum up values based on defined criteria, making our task much more straightforward. We'll begin by typing the SUMIF function in a selected cell. Start with an equal sign, followed by the word SUMIF. Once you've done that, open a parenthesis to begin the function's parameters. The first thing SUMIF needs is the range of cells that contains the criteria you want to evaluate. In our case, we'll select the column that lists the branch names. This tells Google Sheets where to look for the criteria that will determine which rows to include in the summation. After selecting the branch column, add a comma. This comma is essential. It separates each argument within the function. Next, we define the condition. For this example, we want to calculate the sales for branch 1 specifically. To do this, type the condition in double quotes like this: branch 1. This condition instructs the formula to consider only those rows where the branch name matches our specified criterion. Following another comma, the last part of our SUMIF function is to define the range containing the values to be summed. Since we're interested in sales, we select the sales column. This tells Google Sheets where to find the numbers that need to be added together whenever the condition is met. With the data range and condition in place, we can close the parenthesis to complete the formula. Pressing Enter will execute the function, and just like that, you'll see the summed total sales for branch 1 displayed in your chosen cell. This swift calculation provides insights at a glance, saving you time and effort compared to manual summation. To repeat this process for branch 2 or branch 3, copy the formula you've just created and adjust the condition to read branch 2 or branch 3. Make sure the cell references remain consistent with your intended calculations, as this ensures you're still working with the correct data ranges. This simple adjustment allows you to apply the same analysis across different branches quickly, streamlining your workflow and improving data management efficiency. And there you have it, a practical guide to using the SUMIF function in Google Sheets to sum sales data based on branch criteria. With this newfound knowledge, you can now tackle data analysis tasks with greater precision and confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy calculating.